In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check WordPress version. If you've ever wondered which version of WordPress your site is running, the quickest and most reliable place to confirm it is right inside your admin area. Knowing your exact version helps you understand which features you have, whether your plugins and themes are compatible, and if you might need to plan for an update with proper backups and testing. We're not updating anything today. We're simply finding the version number in a clear, trustworthy spot. Once you're in your WordPress admin area, look to the menu on the left. Find Dashboard, which is usually at the very top of that menu, and select Updates from the options you see there. This takes you to the central Updates screen, the place WordPress uses to summarize the health of your core software, as well as any themes and plugins that may have new releases available. At the very top of this Updates page, WordPress displays your current version number. Depending on your site's status, you'll see a message that either confirms you already have the latest version or lets you know that a newer release is available. In both cases, the version number is clearly visible right there in the first section of the page, so you don't need to scroll or dig into any settings. Take a moment to read it carefully. WordPress versions are written as a series of numbers separated by dots. The first number indicates a major release. The second is a minor release, and the third, when present, is a maintenance or security update. For example, a version like 12.3.1 means major version 12, minor release 3, and maintenance patch 1. Why does this matter? Your version can affect plugin compatibility, theme features, and even the instructions you'll find in documentation or tutorials. If a guide references a specific feature introduced in a certain release, you'll know immediately whether your site supports it. It can also help you communicate clearly with developers or support teams by providing a precise reference point. If the page indicates that a newer version is available, that's simply informational for our purpose today. The update screen is trustworthy because it pulls version data directly from your installation and, when applicable, the official update servers. If your dashboard looks a bit different due to custom branding from your host or theme, the update section is still accessible from Dashboard and the version notice will still appear at the top. That's all there is to it. Open Dashboard, choose Updates, and read the version displayed at the top. Now you know exactly where to check your WordPress version quickly and confidently.